We're learning to play Shepherd's Melody from the Grade 2 Trinity syllabus. In the last video, we looked in detail at the right-hand melody to Shepherd's Melody. And so hopefully you should be really up to speed on that. So now we're going to look at the left-hand part and then placing the melody over it. Now remember, we're in this 6/8, which is a compound time signature. It looks like 6 quavers, but you sandwich the quavers together to form dotted crotchets, because you put 3 quavers together, you have a dotted crotchet. And there it is in the left hand. Clearly you can see the beats. Then 2 to a bar. They're going 1 under, 2 under, 1 under, 2 under. Now you don't need to go under, but that's what's in your head. So you're just going to go 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Now remember, the whole point of these dotted crotchets is that when you can fit nice sets of 3 quavers and things like 1 and 2, 1 and a 2, 1 and a 2 and 1. It just enables you to place things with little tumbling sets of 3 under them. Okay, so left hand does this. So you do 4 of those, then you go under the tune. So that's the first bit really, that's all it is. So that's the introduction, then the tune starts. Now, then you've got a 2 and a 5 thing. And then a B flat. Now, you'll want to do this. You'll want to go, I know I do, you'll play that chord, then you'll want to play that chord, and you'll want to re-strike that little finger on the G. But if you look at your music, can you see the G has a tie? It's not a slur, it's a tie. It's 2 Gs tied together. What's the difference between a tie and a slur? Well, if it's the same note, it's probably a tie. Okay, so you've got a G to a G with that line between it, it's a tie. So you play it like this. So the top note changes, but the bottom note stays on. So because you've just been repeating it, you'll want to repeat it. But you've got to resist. Now here we go. See what we did there? And that coincides with the right hand being smooth. Then on the next bar, you go back to the C. Now you do restrike it this time. Then your thumb, and then restrike, C, and then back to the B flat. So I'll show you that. So from bar 4, I'll go from bar 3. So he goes 2 of those, then he goes. So I'll put the hands together, I'll just go straight from bar 3. Then you've got a little extra note now. There's an A in bar 6, A, and then back to the extra note at the top, and then to the B flat, then the C to the D, then the C to the B flat. Third line, C to the D, then you do the same again but quietly. Start the same but loud. Then there's the extra note, C, then B flat. And then in the left hand you've got a little tune now. And you can slow down. So rather than going, if you did it in time, you'd have 1. Slow it down. Now there's notes over that in the right hand. So here it is, the whole of it up to bar 16 from the beginning. 1, 2, 1, 2. Do you see what I did wrong there? Oh, see, this is very tricky, isn't it? You've got to watch out what happens down the bottom there and not restrike that. I'll do it again. So I've got to really focus on this left hand bit now. Now just 1 G at the bottom. 1 G at the bottom. 1 G at the bottom. Now 2 Gs. Then 1 G at the bottom. 1 G at the bottom. bottom, 1 G at the bottom. Third line, then it's quiet. Getting quieter, tune in the left.